What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about the most misunderstood trick of all time. This is a pressure inward heel flip. A lot of times when I do this trick, people will ask, did you just do a hard flip? This is one of those tricks that people just don't understand. So if you throw it in a game of skate, you're probably going to get a letter on the person you're playing unless they're really good at these. After saying all that, it's actually a really easy trick. And once you get it down, it's one of those tricks that's just consistent. You can just land it every time. It's all in the back foot. It's all about the scoop and the way you pop the board. So to do this, you're going to stand next to your board and you're going to have your foot kind of on the side, right where the tail starts to curve up, but really on the toe side edge, just way over on the edge. You're going to stand there and practice popping this. So you're pushing down all the way to the ground and forward. So you're really pushing that tail straight down underneath the board. I can't really explain how to do this. You just have to practice standing next to the board and popping it, and your muscle memory is going to figure it out. Just practicing it with the front foot on the ground and the back foot on the tail popping the board around is the best way to learn how to pop this trick. So you're doing a shove it, but you're also pushing hard enough on the edge that the board does a heel flip. So it's just really pushing on that very edge of the board. So after you've done it with one foot, you can try it standing on the board stationary. Once you've got that pop, you know how to do it. You just have to suck your feet up enough to let it do that entire rotation and then land on it. So once you know how to pop this trick with your back foot and get it to actually rotate an inward heel flip motion, you can do this rolling, you can do it up ramps, down stuff, anything, because it's a really easy trick and it kind of flies right up into your feet perfectly. I hope this video helped you guys out with pressure flips. It's a really fun trick. It was one of my favorite flip tricks. It's great for games of skate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.